and welcome back to my life. Rota familia. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today I am here with Lou.
Hi.
And we are hiking Cecilia Ravine. So I've hiked Cecilia Forest before and I did vlog that. So I'm back for the second time, but I'm taking a completely different route, getting my cardio in, you know. So we did miss it. So I am getting a few videos of the scenery in for you guys so that you all can see the hike and how hard and difficult it is. Yeah, and then once we hit the bottom again, we are going to be doing the challenge and it's gonna be awesome. Do you have anything to say?
All I could say is it's going to be a good hike, I think.
The challenge, about the challenge.
Oh, about the challenge, I'm ready for it.
Okay, we prepare. We have many more challenges coming for you guys. I convinced him to do a few challenges, and there's one challenge, if y'all don't know, there's one challenge. I'll talk to you guys about that again. One specific challenge that he is going to do. It's a must that he does this. So yeah, come on, you. Lighting is so good.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá.
Okay guys, so we just took a tea break. We had a tea break. Lou's over there behind while the waterfall rinsing out the cups. So quick update, we made it to the waterfall, as you guys can see. Beautiful. We made it to the waterfall. I just wanted to let you guys know a little something, okay? A little something. Ready? So, remember the ghost pepper challenge that I did with my brother, okay? I'm going to put the link down below. I'm going to put a screenshot of it up on the screen so that you all can see. So, the ghost pepper challenge that I did with my brother, we both had, I think, 10 or 15 zinger wings each. And zinger wings is hot, it's spicy, it's strong. And we added a... what is it? Ghost pepper.
Ghost pepper sauce, yeah.
The ghost pepper, what sauce is that?
It was Tabasco, Trinidad scorpion.
Yes, Tabasco scorpion sauce. That was hot. I ended up puking. If you guys didn't see the video, then watch it now before continuing to watch this video. Pause this video, go watch that one, and then come back to this one, okay? So, Lou over here was the one who requested that we do that video. And so my brother and I did it. Okay, so like I was saying before the video cut off, what was I saying? Okay, so Lou was the one who requested the video. So I actually forgot about it, but then I remembered because we brought it up now recently when we did our photo shoot. It was about a week, 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago, yeah.
Okay. When we did a photo shoot, he actually brought it up, and that reminded me that he needs to do the challenge with me. So the agreement was, after I did that challenge, after my brother and I did that challenge, the agreement was that he needs to do it with me. Like, I don't mind doing it again with him. I'm gonna suffer, but I don't mind doing it. But he has to do it so that he can feel what I felt and he can feel what he puts me through.
Oh yeah, I have to.
Yeah, so he needs to feel exactly what he puts me through. So we are going to be doing that challenge very soon, so stay tuned for that. I needed to explain this to you guys so that y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. So pray for me. but he needs to feel it. He needs to go through the exact
Yeah.
pain that I went through.
Oh yeah.
And I was throwing up, so
Maybe
yeah.
we'll see what happens then, eh?
Yeah, so stay tuned for that. But we are on top by the waterfall as we reach our destination. We are going to do a little quick photo shoot and then head back down and then do the Sprite and banana challenge.
Alright.
Are you excited?
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll be driving down the state, yeah. Looking around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way, trying to find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles, trying to find a way, searching for the things we do, yeah. Drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blown round to the window, singing stupid noise. Or will you? I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. I wanna